wala kapag durang ano.
Saan ba?
Ha? Sa Magnet. High Street. Pinapapunta nga kami. Oh. Punta kayo. Hindi ko alam.
This is how you,
Massage.
this is how you massage the foot.
Okay.
You lick it.
Okay lang, wala dirt.
Ay, wala pa. Walang
Is there a theory in...
You hear that?
Yes.
There's no case.
There's no case. There's no case on her.
Yes.
Hawa ko pala. Whippy glass, whippy glass. Hindi na.
Ang mali ko taas sa suntong pain.
Saan? Oo! Wala ka walang kaso.
Joke lang yun.
Can you show us how to make pleasure in massage?
Okay, with pleasure.
With pleasure.
You make this.
The...
Facial expression.
Yes. It adds up the spice, no? Then,
And then you lick it.
can we see the leaking part? The audience wants to see it. Just a little bit.
Ang dikit lang.
Siya ba yung umaan? Siya yung feel.
Ikaw na nga didila, ikaw pa ano yun.
Makasanayan mo yan.
Hey, you wanna see the leaking part?
Kabila.
The other side.
The other side. Is there a difference in massaging the side to the other side? It's the proper English, you know. You don't know?
This is the artistic side.
Okay.
This is the artistic side.
So the artistic
So,
side,
you can see here,
your...
This little piggy ito.
her thumb.
Yes. Her put thumb.
Oo.
Lalag.
Okay, back to the game. So, how can you make pleasure to massage while you are in the bed?
Like this.
Sad question ba? How about this? I don't know how to ask.
How about what?
You know, the man at your back. Is there
Is there a relevance?
yes, with the effectiveness of the massaging?
You see that I'm connecting with him.
Yes. So is the ano?
I'm getting the energy from him.
Yes. Then flowing to you, then flowing to the
He's
foot.
an artistic man, so
Yeah.
artistic side.
Yes.
So I connect myself and I connect this charger.
That's the.
This good.
So as you can see here,
I'm connected. See,
the foot is connected to the foot of
an artist.
an artist while he is being like that. Okay. So back to reality.
Sure.
The customer needs pressure.
Yeah.
How can you give it to her?
Pressure,
Yes.
pressure, pleasure,
Pressure.
pressure.
More pressure.
Pressure with pleasure,
Okay.
you know.
Okay.
Ayun, na-pressure ka na, no?
Pressure na yun.
So, we're now 5 minutes. So, can you say goodbye to the audience while you're massaging?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Ingat po. So, how can you turn this off?
Ulitin mo ulit.
Okay.
Click the...
The okay button.
No, click.
Okay,
Shutter button.
Ah,